Hi, I'm Wendy Lynn Phillips, beauty and image expert. Welcome to our show here on Lake ETV. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed our segment last month as we discovered how to come out of your closet in style. And so today I'm going to share with you 10 classic pieces every woman needs in her wardrobe, because coming out of your closet in style has to start with what's in it. So today, that's just what we're going to look at. I know you're going to love it and hopefully have some great takeaways. But before we get started, I wanted to just share with you some other really fun tips and opinions from my clients when I pose the question, what every woman needs is, and this is what they filled in the blank with. What every woman needs are diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. What every woman needs is support staff. Oh, I love this one. What every woman needs is a self-propelling vacuum. What every woman needs is a great pair of shoes. She needs to worry less. She needs wisdom. She needs appreciation. They need to laugh. They need to forgive themselves. They need to drink more water. I wonder for you, does every woman need to take care of herself better? What I'm going to talk about now is the 10 classic pieces that will remedy your dysfunctional closet. And if that's true for you, then hopefully this will be your working wardrobe, where you start from with 10 classic pieces and then build with some trendy items, some accessories, some fun pieces. And you know, I have to start with a classic black suit. I'm sure you probably have one. If you don't, you really do need one. A classic black suit is just an absolute investment wardrobe staple. So get one today, either a sheath dress with a great jacket or a skirt and a jacket that can be mixed and matched for numerous options. Number 2, what every closet needs are a great pair of jeans. A great pair of jeans that fit you well, look great, and are fun to wear. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down. Denim is totally in. I love this pair from Cachet. They're very form-fitting. They've got just enough spandex that they're actually comfortable, and they look pretty good too. Very, very functional for either dress up, a little bit of business when I couple it with a jacket or a blazer and heels, and I can even go out for an evening look with a stylish silk tank or a, classic fun top for the weekend. Number 3, black pumps. Black pumps are key. Now, of course, these are going to go with your classic black suit. And number 4 is your classic black dress. Your dress to wear to every After 5 event, New Year's Eve, those special celebrations, possibly a dressy wedding. A classic black dress is just something that you can't go wrong investing in.
Hi, my name is Joanne Keller, and I'm a nurse practitioner here in Mount Dora, Florida. We offer full body and breast imaging without radiation, without contact, without pain. It's called thermography, or digital infrared thermal imaging. It is used as an adjunct to getting mammography or other body imaging. Inflammatory breast cancer cannot be detected with a mammogram, and that's so important. Thermography is a wonderful tool to be used by many healthcare providers. So I welcome you to make an appointment and come in and learn more about digital infrared thermal imaging.
Number 5, a fun pair of either tennies, sneakers, I prefer Skechers, or just, classic flats. Everybody needs a great pair of flats that are cute and comfortable. Number 6, you need a pair of khakis. Khakis, chinos, whether you get them for maybe around $30 at JCPenney. They can be anywhere from $40 to $60 at the Gap, and they can be maybe $120 or more at Macy's or Neiman's. But regardless of the style of khaki, every girl needs a pair of chinos and khaki pants. They go, again, from day to evening to business. and they're very versatile and oh, such a wardrobe staple. Next, you need a classic blazer, a fun jacket, a blazer, something like a pea coat or it doesn't have to button or zip. It can just add so much versatility to your wardrobe. More the better, but you need at least one. The other thing every wardrobe needs is just a classic white shirt. Now this is from Chico's, and I love that it's cotton with just a touch of spandex, so it literally comes out of the washing machine like this. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. And if you're as busy as I am, you don't have a lot of time for ironing. So something like this, again, is a wardrobe staple. You can wear it by itself with those awesome jeans, with the black suit, or with your khakis. Another wardrobe staple is tanks and tees. You need at least 3 spandex stretchy tees. They're perfect for layering, perfect for mix and match. Get them in your color theme and build your wardrobe around these wardrobe staples. The very last piece, number 10, is a classic tote. I've got an example of that today. This can be both a brief during the week and a classic tote for the weekend. It's perfect to throw everything in. You can go shopping with it. You can put business portfolio in it. You can use it as a baby bag if you need to, and that suits your lifestyle. I hope you've discovered 10 key classic pieces that you might already have in your closet, and if not, run out and buy them today. Take me shopping with you. I love it. If you have anything you'd like to share, questions, feedback, and comments, I hope you'll find me on Facebook, my website, wendylynnonline.com. I'd love to know what you think and what you think are your 10 wardrobe staples. From there, it gets really fun, adding all kinds of fashion, class, pizzazz, and style, and you do it in your own style. That's the key, is finding the right colors, the right shapes, the right styles, the right likes. You've got to like you. I hope you'll look in the mirror and like what you see. Bye for now.